Welcome to session 4 of Mike Ssendikwanawa's Biology Hub. Today, we define life through the universal characteristics that all living things share, whether plant or animal, and we finally draw a clear boundary between living organisms and machines, no matter how advanced or fast they may appear to move. So straightforward, let's dive into the universal characteristics of living things. 1. Nutrition or feeding. Living things take in food materials and energy from their surroundings to support growth, repair, and life activities. 2. Respiration. Living things break down food substances to release usable energy for their functions. 3. Excretion. Living things remove metabolic waste products that would be harmful if allowed to accumulate in their bodies. 4. Growth and development. Living things permanently increase in size and complexity using materials from their environment. 5. Movement. Living things exhibit internal and external movement, enabling them to change position and adjust parts of their bodies. 6. Sensitivity or response to stimuli. Living things detect and respond to changes in their environment in order to maintain survival. 7. Reproduction. Living things produce new individuals of their species to ensure continuity of life. Question: why do machines like cars, though moving, are not referred to as living organisms? Here's the response. Even though machines may show one or two features that resemble life, they fail to meet the biological definition because they do not possess all the universal characteristics of living organisms. For example, 1. Machines do not feed. They do not take in food or synthesize energy internally. They only receive external fuel poured into them by humans. 2. Machines do not respire. They do not use enzymes or cells to release biological energy. Instead, energy is generated from combustion of fuel. 3. Machines do not excrete metabolic waste. Any waste they produce, smoke and heat, is a result of burning fuel, non-cellular metabolism. 4. Machines do not grow or develop. They cannot increase in size and cannot repair themselves independently to form new parts without human involvement. 5. Machines do not reproduce. They cannot produce new machines. They must be built by humans. 6. Machines do not respond to stimuli biologically. They do not sense danger, light, temperature, or chemicals on their own. Any response comes from their programming made by humans. 7. Machines do not control their own movement. Their movement depends entirely on external command, fuel input, and mechanical design by humans. To sum it all, living organisms perform all life processes internally and independently, while machines function when externally powered, controlled, and maintained by humans. Because life is not defined by movement alone, but by a complete set of processes working together continuously.